Today, I'm going to show you how to make a digital signature right here in Photoshop. Let's get into it. First, you're going to write your signature probably about 100 times, at least until you find the right one. Next, you can scan that image, or if your scanner's not working like mine, just take a picture. Once you have a scan or a picture of your signature, just go ahead and email that over to yourself. And then you're going to want to load that sucker into Photoshop. Okay, so once you have your signature loaded in, whether you scanned it or took a picture, what we're going to first want to do is crop this. We will go to the crop tool and just crop it so we don't have any other things besides our signature we want. After we crop it, let's go down to channels, and we're going to want to just select the red channel. This is going to show the highest amount of contrast between the black of the signature and the white of the paper. After you have that selected, head up to image, come down to adjustments, and find curves. This is going to pull your curves panel up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold Alt and click on this right slider, and we're going to want to get all this black to disappear, the sand looking stuff. So we want to come over just so that all disappears. So once you think that's all gone, we're going to then come over to the left slider and do same thing. Hold Alt, slide over to the right, and again, we're going to want to fill in all that black of your signature as much as you can possible. It looks like I'm going to go all the way to the right here. So once we have that adjusted, you can sit here and kind of fine tune it, but I'm going to call that good. I'm going to hit OK. After that, I'm going to hold Control and click on the thumbnail of the red channel, and that's going to create a selection. So this selection, as you can see, is outside of our signature. So we're going to want to invert that so it selects the signature on itself. So I'm going to hold Control Shift I, and now you can see it's just selecting the signature itself. From here, you can come down to layers. We're going to shut off this background layer. We don't need that anymore. Let me unlock it. So we're going to hide that, and you can see we still have the outline of our signature here. So we're going to come down here, we're going to find solid color, and that's going to fill in our selection of our signature, and we can pick whatever color we want. I'm going to go with black, and from here you can go ahead and save this as a PNG, or you can fine tune it, and if you don't like any of these kind of little white imperfections in here in the signature, I kind of like a little bit of the rough kind of authentic signature look. But yeah, you can go in and fill these in, fine tune it how you want. So that was how to do your signature in Adobe Photoshop to make it digital. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. If you liked the video, if you learned something, go ahead and hit that like button. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video.